Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get a royal pass to use in Royal Match. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up Royal Match guys, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page of the game where you can see all the options you can access. So as you can see here guys, we suggest you can go ahead and log into an account. Even though it isn't necessary to log in an account, you should do that because you will get more benefits than somebody without an account. So you will have far more benefits that you will be able to use. So guys, as you can see, here is the home page where you can see you can play the levels that you want. As you can see, I'm currently level 1, and you can see all the sections you can access. If you scroll left and right, you will be able to see your achievements, you can see your collections, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you get the Royal Pass. So guys, what you need to do, the only requirement for a Royal Pass is to be level 37. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm currently level 1, that's why I don't have a Royal Pass, but once you turn level 37, you'll be able to access the Royal Pass, and it will appear right here on your main page. You will be able to see a pop-up that says Royal Pass, and you'll be able to purchase a Royal Pass to get more rewards when playing and completing levels. So it's going to go ahead and appear here on the home page after you turn level 37. But yeah guys, basically those are the requirements and you need and how to get started with a Royal Pass. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.